Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class Trigonometry. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A equal to angle X. Here we have the triangle ABC and here the triangle XYZ. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Given in triangle ABC, angle A is an acute angle, this one. Let angle B be 90 degrees. Cos A is equal to adjacent side to A by hypotenuse. Here we have A, adjacent side to A is this one, AB. By hypotenuse is this one, AC. Given in triangle XYZ, this is the triangle XYZ, angle X is an acute angle, this is an acute angle. Let angle Y be 90 degrees. Cos X is equal to adjacent side to X, here we have X, this is adjacent side to X, by hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. So XY by XZ. Given cos A equal to cos X in the question itself, then cos A is AB by AC, cos X is XY by XZ. Now we can write AB by this XY is equal to AC by XZ. Let this be equal to K. We have to assume like this. This is equation 1. From the right triangle ABC, here we have, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. From equation 1, AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ is equal to K. AB by XY is also equal to K and AC by XZ is also equal to K. Then AB is equal to KXY and AC is equal to KXZ. Here in place of AC we substitute KXZ. So AC square becomes KXZ whole square minus AB square becomes KXY whole square. This is A, this is B. AB whole square is A square and B square. So observe carefully, this XZ is not X into Z, this is a line XZ. So we should not write X square and Z square. Similarly, here we should not write X square and Y square. KXZ whole square is K square XZ square minus KXY whole square is K square XY square. Here K square is common, then K square into XZ square minus XY square. From the right triangle XYZ, here we have the triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, YZ square is equal to XZ square minus XY square. Then BC square by YZ square is equal to K square into XZ square minus XY square by XZ square minus XY square. Here these two are cancelled. This is equal to K square. Square rooting on both sides. Now BC square by YZ square becomes BC by YZ. K square becomes K. So BC by YZ is equal to K. Let this be equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ is equal to BC by YZ. So in place of K we substitute BC by YZ. by SAS similarity criterion for two triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. We can see here the triangles. Then angle A equal to angle X, proved.